Is your body stiff, achy, or just not moving the way it used to? Let's talk about one of the most powerful ways to keep your body moving well: mobility training. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and mobility is your ability to move freely and easily through your full range of motion. It means having strength and flexibility through the movement. That means your joints, muscles, and nervous system are all working together the way they should. And it's especially important for your spine. When your mobility is limited, your posture can suffer. You feel tight, slow, more prone to pain or injury, especially in your neck and low back. But when you train for mobility, you're not just stretching, you're improving how your joints move, how your muscles activate, and how to stabilize your spine when you're doing everyday things like lifting, walking, or even just standing up. Some other huge benefits: you reduce stiffness and soreness before it even starts. You get better blood flow to your muscles, which means more oxygen and nutrients where your body needs them the most. And it means faster recovery and fewer muscle pulls or random aches. Plus, as you age, balance becomes more important. Mobility work strengthens the muscles that help you stay upright and stable, reducing your risk of falls or sudden injuries. Now, let's talk about how to actually train mobility without spending hours doing it. This is where mobility flows come into play. Mobility flows are short, simple sequences of movements that target multiple joints and muscles at the same time. They're efficient, they feel good, and they don't take very long, just maybe 5 to 15 minutes a day. And they're flexible. You can do them as a warm up, a cool down, or even on their own. Just a few guidelines to keep in mind: keep the movements smooth and controlled. Don't force the range of motion, just ease into it. Breathe as you go. And if your body feels like it's fighting back, just take note of it and adjust how you're doing it. If you're hypermobile, meaning your joints are moving more than they should, just take extra care. You still need mobility work, but it should focus on control and stability, not just stretching farther and farther. With that being said, let's go through a simple 5 exercise sequence and get your mobility flowing. So, first, we start off with the cat cow exercise. This is, you're going to inhale as you arch your spine, drop in your back or drop in your belly, lifting your tailbone. Okay, it's like you're lifting your tailbone up. And then as you exhale, you're going to round your back, pull your belly button in, and then tuck your tailbone. And you're going to do that with reps, or 5 to 10 reps, or 5 to 10 rounds of those breaths. From there, you're going to go into a downward dog. Okay, you're going to, from the hands and knees, lift up your hips towards the ceiling, press through your hands and through your feet. You can bend your knees slightly if you need to, or try to keep them straight. You're going to hold that position for about 1 to 3 breaths. Then you're going to go into a calf. So this is the third exercise, a calf and an Achilles stretch. You're going to alternate bending one knee while keeping the other leg straight, while they're keeping your other knee straight and heel on the ground. And you're just going to go side to side, 3 to 6 reps on each side. Exercise number 4 is upward dog. So from the downward dog, you drop your hips forward, but keep your thighs off of the floor. You're going to press into your hands, lift your chest, and reach upward with your head. And you're just going to hold that for 1 to 3 breaths. See, we're on to the next one already, where you're going to do a lunge to instep with thoracic rotation. So from that plank position, you're just going to step forward with your left foot, keeping your back leg, your right leg straight. And then you're going to reach down with your elbow towards your instep, your left elbow, and you're going to rotate your spine and your trunk up towards the ceiling. You're going to do 3 to 6 times, 3 to 6 times on that side, and then you're going to switch and do it to the other side. So you see these 5 movements, they all just are sequenced together in a nice, simple format. If you have any issues doing this, again, alter the range of motion with which you're using. You don't have to twist as much as I am here, especially if you've had issues with, uh, you know, uh, osteoporosis, if you have had fractures. You want to avoid severely twisting or aggressively twisting your body, or taking these, even with the cat cow, it, downward dog, upward dog. You want to watch out so you're not forcing anything. Modify it for you. And then here's a nice little, you can take a screenshot of this. So it gives you the instructions right there. So first cat cow, 5 to 10 reps. Then you go right into downward dog for 1 to 3 breaths. Then you're going to calf and Achilles stretch for 3 to 6 reps on each side, right into upward dog for 1 to 3 breaths. Then the lunge to instep with thoracic rotation on each side, doing that 3 to 6 times. So go through that. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. If you have any questions about this, how you can modify it. If you're not sure, leave a comment and I will show you how to do that. And if you want a more thorough approach and other mobility flows, another mobility flow is in this ideal exercise prescription for a healthy 100 years, especially has that mobility flows, but then also how you can create your own workout as well. Just type move in the comments and I'll make sure I get that to you. And as always, be your own guarantee for your health and your life.